The BirdDog3 system is an independent acquisition system designed for quality control testing. This video will cover setup of the BirdDog3 system for mobile use. Connect the sensor and power connectors. If the unit is charged, you may use the supplied power jumper to power from internal battery. To set up with GeoTest, connect an Ethernet cable to your computer. Next, open the GeoTest program on your PC. If your network adapter is set up correctly, the user should see the unit number and selected device's current firmware version under Selected Device. If connected to multiple devices, the user may select the desired device under the Settings window in the device list. Here, the user may add, change, or delete sensors. To add a new sensor to the list, click the New button. Add a model name to the type field and fill corresponding specifications. The shunted values can be calculated by pressing Autofill Specification once other fields are populated. Next, click Save Geophone. Whether testing single geophones or strings, the user will tick the appropriate checkbox. When testing strings, the corresponding fields will need to be filled. Lastly, select Hardware Setup and finally, send settings to unit. The Ethernet connection may now be disconnected from the unit. The BirdDog's Wi-Fi can be used to conduct geophone tests from any browser on a computer or mobile device. First, connect to the BirdDog's Wi-Fi access point, which will be labeled with the unit serial number. After connecting, open a web browser and navigate to the web interface IP, which is 192.168.1.1. You may alternatively use UI.local instead of its IP. Next, select the Setup tab. Then select the geophone type to be tested under the Parameters tab. The listed geophones and their parameters remain on the unit until modified from the GeoTest program. Ensure the sensor is connected to the sensor input cable, channel 1 by default, in the Channels to Test field. Now select the Test tab, then select the tests to be performed. Ticked checkboxes indicate selected tests to be run. After selecting desired tests, enter the sensor serial number. Now select Start to begin tests. Once completed, results will display under each test's field. Press Save Results to save the data. Note that the polarity test is completed separately. To run, select Polarity Test and press Start. Then tap the geophone. The polarity test result will appear. Press Stop to stop the polarity test. Again, press Save Results to save the results. Saved records can be viewed in the Records tab. Under the Records tab, users may generate and download test results as a CSV file. If the unit is equipped with a GPS, then geolocation data will be saved with the records. Users may also download files through the GeoTest program as well. For more information, visit the Seismic Source website. Thank you for watching and happy testing!